Hey, here's how you use the elevator system on the Horizon. So you wake it up.
Wake it up by pushing that button.
Okay.
This one don't want to wake up.
Okay, we'll do it like that.
I'll touch the screen anywhere.
So basically,
pick one floor.
What you do is you pick the floor that you want to go to, and then let's say you want to go to the 5th floor. We're on the 5th floor because we are in the Havana Suites. It tells you what car to get on. If you have 2 people in your party, you just do it again.
And then right above the elevator is the
car C right there.
ones. Car C will light up to let you know, hey, over here. So you go right over here and you wait. But do us a favor, if you were on Horizon, don't be the person that pushes the button for one person and then there's 10 people in your party. That's not fair.
You literally have to do it 10 times.
You got to do it 10 times. You got to do it for the amount of people that are in your party. And that's a quick little video on how to use the... But how do you like the system?
I love the system. It's the best system ever of all the cruise ships we've been on.
Yes, it is.
And it's been a lot.
There's nobody rushing to get on the elevators. Nobody... our elevator's ready to take us to the same floor we're on. Oh, hold on. You pushed 5, didn't you?
That's
we're on
because
11.
we're in Havana Suites.
Yeah, so why do you like this system?
Because it's efficient.
Let's over here.
It tells you where you're going. There's not a bunch of kids in there pushing buttons.
We had to change places because there's a speaker right there with copyrighted music, I'm sure.
No, it's a great system. It's extremely efficient.
Yeah, and it's not always crowded, like, you know, like the other
Only one
cruise
part of the
ships.
first day was it crowded.
Yeah, but most of the time there's only, it goes to your floor, and when you get inside, what's crazy is you get inside the elevator, there's no buttons except for to close the door in emergency, of course.
Yeah, that takes some getting used to, but it already knows where you're going and how many people are in your party.
So you just hop on and go.
So there's no confusion, there's no people knocking other people down. It's the best system ever.
That's it. That's a wrap.